each other. Yes, we did. And I don't want to go home. I'm staying. I like it. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I know. You can't get it dressed, sweetheart. I know it hurts. They don't make it right. Oh, do. What? Oh, I'm so glad you're happy. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. What? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? What? Oh, what? Oh, what? Yeah, so much to say. You have so much to tell Grandma. No. Yeah, I know. We tried to get most of it, but we didn't get it all. Yes, you call me up on the telephone. You call me up on the telephone, and yeah, we'll talk on the telephone. Okay? Want to talk on the telephone? What are you going to say on the telephone? What are you going to say? Hi, Grandma. How are you? I miss you. I miss you too. I miss you too. What? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me.
Where's the bottle? Is it out of the
On the bar.
Okay, I'm gonna just pack the last one.
What? I know. Hello. Hello. Oh, hello. Hi. Hi. Yeah, I'm gonna miss you too. Yeah. I know. So much to say. Yeah. I know. What? What, sweetheart? What? You have so much to say? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. What? Tell me. What do you want? What do you want Grandma to get you? What, Elmo? Do you want that silly Elmo? You want a silly Elmo? Oh, Elmo. Elmo. What? Who's a happy little boy? Who's gonna get a plane? Yeah, right. So much to say. Still much to say. So, yeah.